All right, welcome to this interesting review. We have been learning about past simple questions. Yes, did you good? Did you go? Yes, did you go? Did you good? You have a good time? What did you do yesterday? All right. And of course, we have been practicing a lot of questions using was and where, the past simple tense of the verb be. So right now, it's time to sum up these two interesting topics. First of all, you remember, we have been practicing this interesting auxiliary, did. This is the auxiliary for past simple tense and questions, did. And the past simple tense of the verb be, was and were. So here, what is the difference between these two interesting forms of asking questions, right? Come on, let's see some examples. If you have a verb, an activity, well, you need to use the auxiliary did. For example, did you cook? Yes? Did you get married last month? Oh my god, I can't believe it. Did you get married? Or, yeah, did you have breakfast yesterday morning? Did you have breakfast this morning? Yes? No? Oh, excuse me, what did you say? What did you say? I couldn't hear you. What did you say? Or, where did you travel last year? Tell me, please. I want to know. So, in each example, we are using an activity. A verb, could, get married, have, say, travel. All of these words are actions. Activities, verbs. So when you have an action, when you have a verb in your question, or you're going to ask about an action or an activity, use did for your question. And don't forget it. We use did plus the verb in the infinitive form or vase form. You know that. But this is different for the verb be. In the next case, we don't have a verb, so we need to put one. We use was or were, and of course we use this for adjectives. Hey, were you happy? Yeah, did you have a good time? Were you happy? Really? Were you sick? Oh my god, when were you sick? When were you sick? Sick, I've got a fever. This is an adjective. Oh my god, were you sad? Why were you sad? Tell me, please. I want to know. Yeah, so we use the past simple tense of the verb be with adjectives. And of course, we use it too with nouns. A noun could be a place, could be a profession. Yeah, it could be, a noun could be an animal too. So it's up to you. For example, hey, were you a good teacher? Oh, really? And when you were at school, tell me, were you a good student? Student, teacher. Yes, these are nouns, right? And finally, of course, we use was or were for questions when we're going to ask about prepositions. For example, hey, were you at home yesterday night? Because I called you and nobody answered the phone. Yes, were you at home? Or tell me, what time were you in Guayaquil yesterday? Yeah, sorry, I didn't know that. So prepositions, in, at, all of those kind of words are prepositions, on, under, behind, prepositions. So we're going to use the past simple tense of the verb be for adjectives, nouns, or prepositions. So this is the difference. Of course, it's not the same question. So we can say, hey, were you cook yesterday? That's not correct. Did you cook rest yesterday? Or did you cook yesterday? Cool. Or did you happy last week? Where are you happy last week? Because of course we use did for verbs, activities, actions, but we can use was or where. We should use was where for adjectives, nouns, and prepositions. All right, now it's your turn. Come on, make your own examples.